Good afternoon. Talk about yourself. My name is Jenifer Carolina Castillo Sáenz. I am 20 years old. I am from Bogotá. I am a student. I like to listen to music and to walk. I like animals a lot. Talk about own experience of trip. I went the monument of Bogotá. But when my aunt Lisa. It's a very quiet place. It's also a very historic place. Since the Battle of Ohet, 7 was held there. Descriptions and recommendations about the weather. The climate on the general was warm, changed means in the very quiet months and breathtaking place sometimes, depending of time, it is recommendable to wear clothes for hot weather and also warm weather since the weather varies a lot. Give recommendation for planning a trip to the place you describe. Investigate through technological applications how the weather will be on the day you want to travel. Wear appropriate clothes for the day of the trip. Use sunscreen, deeds or no deeds, marking sound since the rates enter directly. Thank you.